This is intro to Alexandria Night 3, rolling to the sit with the elbows. This is one of Feldenkrais' classic awareness through movement lessons. The themes involved are using the elbows as supports to organize rolling and coming to sitting, differentiating movements of the head, ribs, and pelvis in a coordinated spiral, exploring asymmetry and side-to-side differences, discovering how small, efficient movements build into a larger action. The functions that we improve are the ability to transition from lying to sitting with less effort. Also, the ability to transition from sitting to lying down without hurting ourselves. It strengthens the functional support through the elbows and shoulders. It clarifies the pathways of weight transfer and use of the spine in spiraling. And it builds coordination for everyday actions like getting out of bed, up from the floor, or falling.